Okay, this is the cold start video for the 2000 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. So we'll just do a quick little engine view here. Super clean, all original. Even has the VIN label on the valve cover, which seems kind of rare. A lot of them over time get washed off, whatever. But no leaks. Everything electrically works perfect. Zero issues that I am aware of. I drove this back from Alabama to St. Louis, and it was, what is that, 6.5, 7 hours, and it drove flawlessly. I had the AC running the whole time and no issues. And then I've zipped it around town a few times, and this thing needs nothing. Anyway, cold start. I ran it I don't know, probably a day ago. It is 104 degrees out here today, one of the hottest days of the year here in St. Louis. But real quick, while I've got the hood open, this hood has been replaced. If you can tell, there's no VIN label. The lady that I bought it from said the previous owner, a limb fell on the hood, and so it was replaced in 2019, I think she said. But they did a perfect job. The color match is perfect. Zero issue with that. Has the fender labels on the fenders, if you can see those. So these are both still the factory fenders, no issue. Anyway, we'll go ahead and start her up. I can just leave the hood up. So as it sits, 43,275 miles. Now that will go up just a little bit. I'm going to take it for a driving video and a walk around. Anyway, let's try some fan speeds here. They all work great. AC blows ice cold. Heater works. It is an aftermarket Bluetooth radio with the microphone here attached, so you can go hands-free. It is the factory soundbar and speakers, so not the most quality sound, but at least it gives you Bluetooth capabilities. Alright, while we're here, let's try the four-wheel drive. We'll put it in neutral. And let's go 4 high. And there's the part time. And then we'll put it in 4 low. Shifts in perfect. And back in park. Blinkers. Windshield wipers, squirters, what else we got? I'll kind of go through the interior when I do the walk around video, but just wanted to show you some of the functioning things. This is a cruise control automatic, as you know. Alrighty, thank you.